Before learning the next question, we will learn an important concept, okay? And we will save some time, save few seconds if you understand it, okay? Now, important note to save time. We know that to find the nth term, okay, the formula is a plus n minus 1 bracket d, okay? Now, if we need to use this formula maybe 2 or 3 times in the same question, and if we follow all the step, like we write a for example a5, okay, a5 is equal to a plus the value of n is what? See, value of n is 5, so 5 minus 1 bracket d, then 5 minus 1 is 4d, so a5 is equal to a plus 4d. And again we need to calculate a12, we again substitute the values, again write it. Now in the same question we have to find a8, and it will consume a lot of time. So is there any way to save some time when this formula is used multiple times in the same question? Answer is yes. Okay, let's see. Let's first see how this is applied. Now we have to find the fifth term, for example. So fifth, a5 means fifth term. So a5 is equal to a plus, what is the value of n? In place of n, what is there? 5. So 5 minus 1 into d. So 5 minus 1 is what? 4d. So when you have a5, okay, it is what? It is a plus 4d. So you can directly write, if you know this, if you understood this, okay, you can directly write a5 is a plus 4d. Similarly, let's say if you have not understood this, not a problem, we will see one more example. Okay, a12. Okay, what is the value of n here? 12. So a12 is equal to a plus n minus 1. So 12 minus 1 into d. 12 minus 1 is what? 11. So a12 is what? A plus 11d. That means the number which is present in front of d is 1 less than 12. So a12 is a plus 11d. Now let's come back to this. So a5, so the number which is present before this d is 1 less than this number 5. So 1 less than 5 is what? 4. So a5 is a plus 4d. a12 is what? A plus 11d. Now a8 is what? A plus 7d. Why? This number should be 1 less than this, because this is derived from this formula. Okay, this formula. In place of n you put 8 here in this case. So 8 minus 1, 7d. So a plus 7d. Similarly, a15 will be what? A15 is a plus 14d. Okay. So if you are asked 15th term is something, you can directly write a plus 14d is equal to that term. Okay. So when we'll do the next question, that is exercise 5.2 question 7, okay, you will understand it very well how this thing is implemented. If you want to write the formula, substitute the values and then get this, not a problem. Okay, you can do that. So you can write this formula and substitute the value. In place of n you put 5, or in place of n you put 12, and then you get 11, not a problem. But if you want to save some time, you can directly keep in your mind that a12, so the number which is present before this d is 1 less than this number. a12 is a plus 11d, a15 is a plus 14d, a8 is a plus 7d, a5 is a plus 4d, a10 is a plus 9d, etc., etc. Okay.